Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Windows 7 edition and architecture, because the correct installer depends on that. Once done, create a system restore point and backup key files so you can roll back if needed. Next, make sure Service Pack 1 is present. Without it, Defender may not install. Then download the official Windows Defender installer for your architecture. You'll move directly into uninstalling any conflicting security tools. Do that now so the install can proceed cleanly. You now remove third-party antivirus software from control panel programs and features, because coexistence often blocks Defender. Once removed, reboot, then run the Microsoft Fix-It tool or use elevated commands like msexec/unregister and msexec/regserver if you hit installer errors. This repairs Windows installer behavior. Next, right-click the Windows Defender installer and choose Run as administrator. This prevents permission failures. Follow on-screen prompts, accept terms, and let the installer add services and definitions. This may take several minutes. You finish by restarting the PC, then immediately update virus definitions via Windows Update or the Defender interface so protection is current. Make sure the Windows Defender service is set to automatic in services. MSC, that ensures it starts at boot. Test a quick scan to confirm operation. If Defender still fails, inspect Event Viewer for service or installer errors and note codes. If installation left the system unstable, restore the earlier system restore point. Otherwise, rerun the installer as administrator and retry the repair steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.